In this video, I'm going to show you how to change color of an object in Photopea. To begin, open your project in Photopea and make sure the image containing the object you want to recolor is already placed on the canvas. Once your project is open, look toward the lower right-hand side of your screen and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon. From the menu that appears, select Hue/Saturation, which will allow you to control the color properties of your object. After adding the adjustment layer, you may want to hold the spacebar on your keyboard and move the canvas slightly to the left so you can clearly see both your object and the adjustment controls. Inside the Hue/Saturation panel, click on the Color Range drop-down menu and choose the color closest to your object. For example, if your object is orange or yellowish, selecting yellow will usually give the best starting point. To get a more accurate color selection, make sure the Sample Hue tool is enabled, then click directly on the object whose color you want to change. This helps Photopea identify the exact shade. Once selected, move the Hue slider to the right or left to change the color of the object in real time. You can also adjust the saturation slider to increase or decrease the intensity of the new color until it matches your preference. When you are satisfied with the color, right-click on the Hue/Saturation layer and select Clipping Mask. Make sure this adjustment layer is placed directly above the image layer containing your object, so the color change only applies to that specific layer. If other objects in your canvas share the same original color and were affected unintentionally, you can fix this easily. Select the Hue/Saturation layer, choose the brush tool from the left side of the screen, adjust the brush size if needed, and paint over the areas where you want to remove the color effect. Once everything looks right, you can continue editing or export your image, and this is how you can change color of an object in Photopea.